In the world of dietary choices, the keto diet stands out as a powerful tool for weight management and improved health. With its focus on low-carb and high-fat consumption, it has gained popularity among health-conscious individuals seeking effective ways to shed those extra pounds. However, as many keto enthusiasts have discovered, not all foods are created equal in this dietary regime. One such food item that often sparks curiosity and debate is honey. In this video, we'll dive into the intriguing relationship between honey and the keto diet, exploring its nutritional benefits, moderation, recipe ideas, and potential drawbacks. Understanding the keto diet. Before we delve into the world of honey and the keto diet, let's first understand what exactly the keto diet entails. This low-carb, high-fat diet is designed to encourage the body to enter a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. The primary goal of the keto diet is to limit carbohydrate intake, encouraging the body to rely on fats for energy. The role of honey in keto. Now that we've established the foundation, let's talk honey. Honey is often considered the golden elixir of natural sweeteners, but its sugary reputation raises questions when it comes to keto. Can honey fit into this low-carb lifestyle? The answer lies in understanding the natural sweetness of honey and its impact on blood sugar levels. Nutritional benefits of honey. While honey does contain carbohydrates, it also boasts a range of nutritional benefits that can be appealing for those following a keto diet. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, honey offers more than just sweetness. It can provide a natural source of energy and serve as a healthier alternative to refined sugars. Moderation and keto-friendly honey. Moderation is key when it comes to honey on a keto diet. The natural sugars in honey can affect blood sugar levels, so it's essential to use it sparingly. However, there are ways to incorporate honey into keto-friendly recipes. From honey-glazed salmon to honey-roasted nuts, the possibilities are endless. Personal anecdotes and experiences with these recipes add a touch of practicality and relatability to your keto journey. Tips and recipes. For those seeking keto-friendly honey recipes, look no further. Here are some ideas to tantalize your taste buds while staying true to your dietary goals. Honey-glazed salmon. Brush a mixture of honey, olive oil, and herbs on your salmon fillets before grilling. The result, a mouth-watering, keto-friendly delight. Honey-roasted nuts. Toss your favorite nuts with a hint of honey, a dash of salt, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Roast them in the oven for a crunchy, satisfying snack. Potential drawbacks. While honey does offer nutritional benefits and delicious flavors, there are potential drawbacks to consider on a keto diet. Its natural sugars can impact ketosis, and some individuals may find it challenging to consume honey in moderation. For those who prefer to avoid honey entirely, there are alternative sweeteners available that align better with keto principles. In conclusion, honey and the keto diet can coexist, but it requires careful consideration and moderation. When used mindfully, honey can enhance the flavor of keto-friendly dishes and provide some nutritional benefits. However, it's essential to be aware of its potential impact on blood sugar levels and adjust your consumption accordingly. With the right approach, you can enjoy the sweetness of honey while staying on track with your keto goals. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out our video titled, How to Tell If Honey is Real. It's a must-read for anyone interested in the world of honey, its authenticity, and its role in various diets. Engagement and call to action. We hope you found this video both informative and engaging. If you enjoyed reading it, please consider subscribing to Hive Tales for more valuable insights. Like, share, and leave a comment to let us know your thoughts and experiences with honey on a keto diet. As you embark on your keto journey, remember that the choices you make can be as sweet as honey when approached with knowledge and moderation. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to sharing more exciting content with you.